Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Inkim, and how are you guys doing? So today's video is a wig review from Beautyforeverhair. This is a U-part wig and the hair is quite long. It is really long and it's so sleeky straight. Guys, this is a very nice hair. It's so soft, the texture, the quality, and guys, this length is just giving a different vibe altogether. Guys, if you're a fan of long hair, then definitely go for this hair. This is really good and it's a U-part wig. Here is the construction of this wig cap. It has combs inside. It has 6 combs inside, and then there's also an adjustable strap here inside the wig. So I'm just going to start installing this wig, and my model for today is my sister because her hair is straight and mine is not. Mine is natural and is kinky kind of, so I'm using her hair to do this installation and show you guys what it looks like. So keep on watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. Turn on your post notification so you don't miss out on any of my video, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section. Please enjoy this video, keep on watching. If you're a type that does not like a frontal, installing a frontal using glue and all of those, then this wig is definitely for you. And I'm going to leave details of this unit in my description box for you guys. Also leave my discount code for you people to grab and save some money. Here guys, this is a final look of this installation. I had to sew the wig to her hair. The reason being that she wants to carry it for a very long time, so I just had to sew it to her hair so it will last very long for her. And you can decide not to sew it to your hair if it's something that you just want to wear and take out quickly. But if you want to wear it for a very long time, but because she wants to wear it for a very long time, I have to sew it to her hair. And guys, her hair blends so well to the wig, and this hair is just everything you guys want and more. Like the texture of this hair, the quality of this hair, this wig is gorgeous guys. And I'm going to leave details of this hair in my description box for you guys to grab this hair. And also, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, leave your comments in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.